Hey, old Johnny, it's me, in the cesspit. You will notice there's a sound in the background. That sound is the mighty sound of the Baxter Cnc, as demonstrated. Yeah, man. You will notice it is cutting something out. It is cutting out a roadrunner. It is not cutting out the Roy signers yet. The Roy sign is being designed, and because it is an important job to both you and I have decided to cut it at a later date. The test room is running well. The CNC is, as you can see, cutting. I am extremely proud. I may not look it because I'm off at the moment, but I am extremely, extremely proud. I did it, mate. I did it. Okay.
Stop now. Quick, quick.
No. Yeah, got it.
Sorry, stop.
See you, mate. Drop it carefully down into that bit some more. Yeah, man. Be careful not to touch on. Yeah, man. And out. Yeah, man. That's the inside of the CNC. The Baxter Cnc.
I did it, Gary. I fucking did it.
I did it, man. Yeah, man. You can stop it now. Let's dust this bad boy off. See what we got under here. You should have a cheeky roadrunner. And I believe that is a cheeky roadrunner.
That is Roadrunner out there.
That is roadrunner.
There we go.
Have a proper, yeah, man. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Is that a roadrunner? I believe we got ourselves a roadrunner in this vicinity.
It's better like that.
Yeah, man.
Ready?
Yeah, man. That's cool. I gonna build myself a CNC.